Are you ready to transform into a Pixar character using CapCut? Let's dive into this creative journey. Imagine becoming a Pixar character. It's possible. All you need is TikTok and CapCut, a fantastic free video editor. First things first. Download CapCut from your app store. Once you've got it downloaded, now on TikTok, search Pixar character to find trending photos using the CapCut template. Look for the Try This Template button above the username. Tap it and you're directed to CapCut's Pixar character template. All you have to do now is upload your photo, hit preview, and watch the magic as CapCut transforms you into a Pixar character. If you love the result, export and save to TikTok. You could even enhance your Pixar transformation with a trending sound. Search Pixar character CapCut and find those trendy tunes and apply to your video. Then you can personalize with text, stickers and effects. Then share your Pixar character video on TikTok and it's time to showcase your animated self. And voila, Pixar character creation made easy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.